If you want to learn how to grow fast on Instagram, in this video I'm going to share with you how I'm using Instagram Reels to blow up. In fact, I grew by 13,200 Instagram followers in 1 month, thanks to Instagram Reels. Let's cue that intro and I'm going to share with you guys exactly the steps you need to take for big growth. Hey everyone, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist and a mom of 3. I'm super excited to share with you some of the growth I've had on Instagram thanks to Instagram Reels. The first thing that I want to share with you guys is my handle at the Mrs. Pedersen. So if you want, you can kind of watch as this all unfolds in real time every day. Pretty much every day we're posting Instagram Reels for growth. It's become something that at first was nice to add and now it's a cannot miss feature that is crushing it for us on social media. But let's take a look. I come bearing receipts. Just so you guys know, I've had a long and tumultuous history with Instagram. In the past, when I had like 100,000 followers, I was getting anywhere from like 150 to 250 likes per post, so kind of lower engagement. And then we grew that to almost 500 likes per post. Just a month ago, it was at 700 likes per post, and today we're at about 1,060 average likes per post, which is huge growth when you know the backstory. But if you have questions as I'm diving in, showing receipts, feel free to ask those questions below, but be nice or else you'll be blocked. Okay, so check this out. You can see right here the detailed analytics of my growth over the last month. And here's when I realized, okay, we cannot miss pumping out Instagram Reels. Like, we have to make this happen. And you can see that growth has consistently been happening every single day. We're gaining anywhere from, on a bad day, we do lose some followers, but 20-ish followers all the way up to 2,400 in a single day. And what's amazing is you can see that as our growth in media has gone up to about 5 posts on average per day to our feed specifically, we're seeing an average growth each day of 440 new Instagram followers per day. Tell me in the comments below, by the way, 2 questions for you. 1, what is your Instagram handle? And 2, what would you do with an additional 150 or 250 followers per day? What would that mean for you? What would that mean for your business? Okay. So check this out. You can see kind of that tumultuous history as I experienced a lot of drama here over the last couple of years, but the consistent growth has been happening month after month, starting in about fall of last year, as I started to finally ignore the advice from other experts and focus on what works for me, a mom of 3 in Minnesota with nothing too crazy or interesting about my life. So check this out. You can see that my followers have grown consistently since about fall of last year. And now we're gonna dive on into exactly how I use Instagram Reels to grow on Instagram. So to take a look at Instagram Reels, you click on your normal profile and you're gonna select that second icon right there. And what's cool is I just posted some of these yesterday and this one already has like 74,000 views. They're consistently reaching 5 figures worth of people, but one from like last week, it has reached 2.4 million. The growth has been insane thanks to every single one of these. I feel like one thing I'm loving about Instagram Reels is for the first time, Instagram is really pumping your content in front of new people, kind of like the Discover or the Explore page was supposed to do for most of your content. IG Reels are finally opening up that opportunity for most of us if you're not just a 24/7 thirst trap. All right, no shade intended. So this one has 6 figures, this one has 6 figures worth of views. And it's kind of cool to see, like, we have those million view videos here. And some of these, actually most of these were created on TikTok. And what's cool is some of these are outperforming on Instagram Reels what they performed as on TikTok. So I'm gonna show you guys how you would upload Reels, but I'm gonna show you my really fast workflow. If you're already active on TikTok, this is gonna be really helpful. If you want a tutorial on how to use Instagram Reels in the Instagram Reels platform, comment below and let me know, but I'm gonna show you guys my fast workflow for showing up actively on 2 platforms at the same time. So the first thing that I do is I use TikTok. and I create my videos in TikTok. Now here's the wild thing about Instagram Reels versus TikTok. A video that does well on TikTok can also perform well on Instagram Reels, but something else I've discovered is that a video that doesn't perform well on TikTok can also crush it on Instagram Reels. So you can see every day I shoot for about 3 to 10 TikTok videos. That's usually my goal, and I pump them out pretty fast. And then what I do is I click on those videos. So let's say this one that I just put out today, I'm gonna go ahead and copy the link, and then I'm gonna use this app called Save Talk, which is free. I know some people have it blocked, so you're gonna have to look for other watermark removing platforms, but this works at least on my iPhone in the United States. So I'm gonna hit Save TikTok once I've copied that link. Now I'm gonna make sure no watermark is checked, and I'm gonna click Save Now. Once I have this video available, it should go right back to TikTok, which means that it successfully saved all of those videos, or at least that one video. Now I'm gonna open up Instagram, click on the Reels section, upload this video, and hit Add. And then there are a couple things that I do here that are a little bit different that have made a huge difference. And these are major hacks. So if anyone already left this video, they missed out on my favorite parts. Here are several of the things that you have to do for major growth. Number one, ask questions in the caption. Let's see, bonus points if anyone has turned your name into a naughty word. And then we're gonna ask a question. Has this ever happened to you? I highly recommend adding like an extra layer of questions or intrigue into the captions of your Reels. This makes a huge difference. Has this ever happened to you? And then I'm gonna add 30 hashtags. I use flick.tech to help me find niche down hashtags, and I use low or medium competition hashtags. So I'm not gonna showcase that, but if you guys want an entire tutorial on how I use flick.tech, comment flick.tech below and I will put that together for you guys. So I've already saved all of my hashtags from flick.tech into a notepad, which means I can use them and copy and paste them easily from either my desktop or on my phone. Major hack there. But there's one more thing that you have to do in order to maximize the success of your Instagram Reels. Most people either don't share them to their grid, and you have to share your Instagram Reels to your grid for maximum growth. Or people will say like, it didn't get a lot of views at first, so I deleted it because I didn't want it to just sit there. But the truth is Instagram Reels perform for days, weeks, and even months. We don't know if they last for years or have a longer shelf life like TikTok yet, because Instagram Reels haven't been around for years. But I've noticed some of my IG Reels are having success for weeks and even months. So do not delete it, share it directly to your grid. And where you would find that is right here. Let's go ahead and space this out. Also share it to your feed. Do not use cover photos. It's not the end of the world if you do, but it limits the success of your videos. And you could tag people, but once you have the 30 hashtags and the caption with questions in on this reel, you're gonna wanna go ahead and hit share. Then the first thing I do once it's uploaded is I'm gonna go ahead and as soon as it shares to my grid, I'm going to like the video and even potentially stick around for just a minute or two until we get those first couple of comments. Responding to your early squad is super helpful because it rewards them and trains them like, hey, come hang out with me here because this is where the cool kids hang. So that's a huge thing that you can do for extra growth. I shoot for 1 to 3 Instagram Reels per day, but when I'm hitting 3 to 5 Instagram Reels per day, that's where we're seeing the biggest growth trajectory. So I'm gonna just say, the more, the merrier. If you can pump out 1 a day, awesome. If you can do 3 to 5, even better. Not every single one is designed to take off, but some of them are gonna absolutely crush it. So I'm super excited for you. Now I'm curious, what else do you guys wanna learn about Instagram, TikTok, Reels, or growth on social media? Comment below and let me know. By the way, are you gonna try this? Oh, and by the way, if you like learning about marketing, business, entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I don't want you to miss a single video. We have so many good ones coming up. And check out in the bio beneath this video, I put together 300 free content prompts that you can use for IG Reels every single day. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.